Hi friends, let us see CRUD operations using Python. Our backend will be MySQL. In continuation from the last video, we are going to see insert, update, delete, and select operations. Step 1 will be to get the backend ready. So we'll create a new database. Let us call it mybankdb and just a table account. Account number, name, address, and the phone number of the customer. All are strings except for the account number and no, let's make it varchar. Let them be 20 each. We can automate this account number column as well, so you can generate the IDs. Okay, we have the backend ready. Let us now go to the front end operations. The command prompt, and let us create a new folder, new project, new folder. And here we will have 4 Python programs for each of the CRUD operations, starting with the insert. So we'll say bank insert.py. Let us call it account insert.py. Okay. So this is standard steps to be followed for Python MySQL operations. As of now, the host name is localhost, but in a live setting, it will be the server name or the IP address. And our database is mybankdb. The username is root. For this exam MySQL, we do not have a password. It is like blank. So you can avoid this part. And for the actual execution of SQL commands, we need a cursor object. Let us prepare the SQL command to insert a record into the account table. This. We'll have placeholders for account number, name, address, and the phone number. Those placeholders will be substituted or replaced with the values we provide over here as a tuple, which can be variables like that, which are received from the end user. That's much better. So the input can come from the user. This is more typical case. So we'll take the account number, name, address, and the phone number from the user, and those will be substituted into the insert statement. So the most important statement is now to execute this SQL command. And once it is done, we would like to commit this transaction and close the database connection. Let's also have a positive message like that. If everything goes well, we should see the success message, if not some exception. Okay, let us test our program. Count insert.py, and yes, it is asking us for the inputs. Success, voila, we have the record inserted, one Vijay Vizag, and the phone. Great. Let us do the same operation for updating the records and deleting and selecting. But first, Let's have a bunch of records on our hand. Okay, guys, we are ready with some data. I would like to change the phone number of Uday, so account number 2, or for any account number, if you would like to change the phone number, how should we go about it? Most of the code will be the same, so I'm going to make a copy of that program. So the copy command to make a copy of files. Yes. Importing MySQL connector, creating the connection object, creating the cursor, all remain the same. The changes will start here. Update the account table, set the new phone number as %s placeholder where account number is %s. So now we don't need name and address. We just need the account number and the phone number. So phone number first and then the account number. Phone number first, then the account number. So D comma A. D is phone number, A is the account number. Okay, guys, we are ready with our changes. We modified only these two pieces of code. Let us try it out. For account number 2, as of now, the phone number is this one. We would like to change that to this one. Let's see if we are able to do that. Yes, of course. So that is how easy it is to do the CRUD operations. So let us get going with the delete operation this time. Okay, guys. Once again, these two pieces should be our focus. We would like to delete a record. So delete from account where account number is %s. So that is the only input this time. So we can remove that. Tuple with a single value. So let us put an additional comma to avoid any confusion. Yes, we are ready. Let's go to the command prompt and run this program. Which account? Maybe number 1, Vijay YZ. 1, Vijay YZ. This is our target record to remove. So is it gone? Yes. Guys, let us now do the last and final operation, which is the select operation. So again, make a copy of this program. That is done. So we need to pull records from the database. So select star from account. No conditions as of now. So keep the values tuple empty. We just have select star from account. So the code remains the same up to here, but after execution, we are going to receive records from the backend through this cursor one at a time. So we need to pull those records and display to the user. So this is the way to do it. Cursor has the bunch of rows coming from the database, and we'll write a loop to read those rows one at a time and display to the user. So guys, this is the additional piece of code necessary because we need to read all the records coming through the cursor and then display to the users. Okay, let's see this in action. Yes, there you go. Account number 2, Uday Hyderabad. Account number 3, Vicky Chennai. So guys, as simple as that. Thank you. Try it out, and any problems, please do post your queries in the comment section. Thank you. Do subscribe.